Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to reorder column layout in mobile view in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we will change column order in mobile view by using the plus add-on for Elementor Pro plugin. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So we are using the plus add-ons for Elementor Pro version plugin. And then on left side you see the plus setting. So click on it. Then you see plus widget. So click on it. Now scroll down and then you see order and width column. So enable this option. Now you see this is Pro version. And then click on save. Now settings saved. Go to Elementor page. So we are in Elementor header. Now refresh the page. Now you see header. We are using 4 column. Now you see logo, second column, third column, fourth column. So in mobile layout, we are going to rearrange column. Now you see responsive mode. So click on it. And then you see mobile portrait. So again click on it. Now you see mobile layout, column, menu, button and search. So we are going to reorder. Now you see column and then you see edit column. Now click on it. So we are going to move menu to the last and then on left side you see advanced. So click on it and then you see plus extras. So again click on it and then you see column order, for example 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is format. Now you see column order for mobile layout. Now you see menu. So currently second position. Now we are going to move it to fourth position. So we are going to add higher number like 4. Now you see menu move to last. It's mean lower number show on initial position and higher number show on last position, like we added 4 column order. Now you see search and also you see another column, edit column. If you want to change this position, so click on edit column, go to advanced and then you see plus extra. So click on it. Now we are going to set 3. Now you see position move. So you can add column order according to your requirement in mobile layout by using add-on Elementor Plus plugin. We are using Pro version. So this functionality only enable in Pro version plugin, not in free version plugin. And then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.